At the other side we have this beautiful street, straight out of Los Angeles, for example. The only giveaway is of course the mosque at the end of the street. But look how beautiful lined up these trees are. Look at these buildings and these trees, guys, they're super high. So beautiful, the palm trees with the blue sky. Wow guys, how beautiful is this here? It's amazing. That's also Albania, guys. It's beautiful. We have arrived here at the end of the street. Wow, look at that, guys. There's a beautiful square as well with some fountains. But first we're going to the amphitheater. I think it's up these stairs here. There are a lot of tourists here. French tourists, Dutch tourists. Both languages I can understand. Oh, we can have a look here. Now we just need to find the entrance. We're going all the way up here. I hope it's going to be worth it. I think this is the biggest amphitheater in the Balkans. We're walking back down on the other side, so it doesn't look like we had to go all the way up to find the entrance. You know, we even have a car passing by here.
Hier met hem thee.